Hey guys, so let's install this Renaissance app. So you're going to log into Schoology, like you always do, and the first place that you're going to go is to your courses, and you'll download the app for each course that you're teaching. So I'm just going to take this first course right here. And what you're going to do is you're going to look up at the waffle and click on it and go to the LMS App Center. It will open up in another window. You will scroll down and you will put in a search term. I'm just going to put Renaissance in, Ren, and then submit, and you'll come up with these two. Now, one says English and one says math. It doesn't matter which one you choose because it's the same thing. So click on the name of it. Once you've clicked on it, you'll see this screen right here. Just hit Install Learning App, LTI app. I agree. You're going to add it. You're going to say install to me. They won't let us add it for the whole school. I wish they would. Otherwise, y'all wouldn't have to do this. Install for me, and then you can go through and put down what courses you want to install this in and click install. Once that's happened, you have installed the app. That's it. So let's go back to courses and let's check it out. So here's the course that I selected. Now where you're going to find it, it's going to show up over on the left. Right here. Now what the student's going to do is they're going to just click, it'll be in their course just like this. They're going to click on it, and when they click on it, what they will see is this screen right here. And they're going to pick either Star Reading or Star Math, not the Spanish one. When they click either one of those, they will then see the class. It'll say choose your class. Here's the thing. If the student makes a mistake and doesn't choose your class, it's okay. It goes to the test anyway. Once they hit the class, then they will see this screen and they'll hit start. It will give them 3 practice questions first. Once they answer those 3 practice questions, it will say, great job, let's go on to the test. Okay, and then they'll start answering the questions, and it's multiple choice stuff. The assessment's between 30 and 45 minutes long. It's about 34 questions. It is timed. Each question is timed. When you have 15 seconds left, you'll see a little clock at the top. Now, if for some reason a student needs to go to the bathroom and needs to pause or whatever to get back in, that password is admin. As a matter of fact, everything that you want to do in this place, if it asks you for a monitor password, it's admin. Okay, that should do it. One more thing. When you click Renaissance, you personally are not going to see any test stuff. You're going to get a screen that looks like this, if it ever comes up. It's going to look like, yeah, okay. It's going to look like this with all of your reports and stuff. So you're not going to see the test. What you see is different. However, you guys, students and teachers, get to it the same way by clicking on Renaissance Learning from here. So again, you go to the waffle, you click the app, you search for the app, you see the app, you click on the name, and then you can click install the app, and it installs for you. Okay, hope this helps.